northwestern Kentucky, Webster County in northwestern Kentucky, central Lyon County, Kentucky, until 12:30 p.m. At 11:41 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line from about 10 miles southwest of Cadiz to near Marion, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. These are dangerous storms with a history of high winds and wind damage. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hopkinsville, Madisonville, Oak Grove, Princeton, Providence, Marion, Dawson Springs, Cadiz, Eddyville, Fort Campbell, land between the lakes area, Sebring, Burlington, Nortonville, Clay, Pembroke, Morton's Gap, Dixon, Crofton, and Olney. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 41 and 92. Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 68 and 137. Western Kentucky Parkway between mile markers 39 and 43. Penny Ryle Parkway between mile markers 1 and 34. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Caldwell, Christian, Crittenden, Hopkins, Lyon, Trigg, and Webster.